Maybe you just bought a secondhand phone, thinking you got a great deal. But the moment you turned it on, you realized there's a screen lock you can't bypass. No password, no access, nothing. Before you panic or think it's useless, let me show you a simple method to unlock it in just a few minutes. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about Wondershare Dr.Fone software. After opening the app, this is the interface you'll see. As you can notice, there are multiple options available on both the left and right sides. You'll find features like Google FRP lock removal, Android screen unlock, location change, iCloud services, WhatsApp recovery and transfer, data recovery, and many more. For today's video, we are going to focus on the Unlock Android Screen option. Once you enter this section, you'll see that it supports almost all mobile brands. One interesting thing here is the Samsung option. If we go into Samsung, you'll notice there are two different choices available. One is 100% remove screen lock. The other is remove without data loss. Now, these two options work differently. If you choose remove without data loss, the software will ask you to connect your mobile device. After connecting, it will bypass the screen lock using the software without deleting your data. But if you select the 100% remove screen lock option, it will completely factory reset your phone. That means all the data on your device may be erased. However, your screen will be permanently unlocked. You can be sure about that. For brands other than Samsung, the policy is mostly the same. It will completely wipe the data and remove the lock, including FRP. So for today's demonstration, we are going to unlock a Micromax phone. First, we need to select Micromax from the list. After selecting it, the software will give us step-by-step instructions. Now let's move to the phone. First, we need to power off the device. So we take the phone and turn it off. After powering it off, the next instruction is to press and hold the volume down button plus power button together for a few seconds. After holding for a while, when the phone starts to power on slightly, we then press and hold the volume up plus power button until the Android robot icon appears. Once the robot icon appears, we'll enter the bootloader/recovery mode. As you can see, we now have multiple options here. Using the volume down button, we navigate to the wipe data/factory reset option and select it. After selecting, you'll see two options, cancel and factory data reset. We choose factory data reset. Now you can see at the bottom that the data is being wiped. This process may take some time depending on how much data is stored on your device. Once the wiping process is complete, the same menu will appear again. From here, we simply select Reboot System Now. The phone will restart, so we need to wait a little. After restarting, you'll notice that the phone is now completely fresh, just like a brand new device. You'll see the initial setup screen, exactly like when you first buy a new phone. We complete the basic setup and enter the system. After checking, we can confirm that there is no lock anymore. Everything has been successfully removed. So, that's how this feature works. Thank you. Bye for watching. Stay safe and stay well. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to check the comment section. I've added the product link in the pinned comment and description box. You can check it out from there if you need it. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.